Hey guys, Syama Maher here, founder and CEO of Scaling Retail. On this week's Retailing Weekly, we're touching upon a New York Times article that focuses on where campaign slogan items are being produced. In particular, we are in the middle of Gay Pride this month of June, and the highlight was focusing on a few different key retailers and how the ethics and politics of the countries in which these items are being manufactured in don't always line up. Case in point, New York Times mentioned a company, Primark, which you guys all know, big major company. They produce their Love is Love t-shirt in Myanmar. Now, anyone who knows that country will know that they actually believe that being gay is a right for prosecution and being put in jail. Now, this does raise a much bigger conversation and question. When it came time for the women's rights marches, all the other types of political types of paraphernalia that we might be wanting to purchase and support, Black Lives Matter, etc., we do have to ask ourselves, where are these items being produced? If there's places where they're being produced actually supporting the political rights of what it is that we stand for. Now guys, on the branded side of things, as you're looking for manufacturing, you do want to keep these things in mind depending on how authentic you want the delivery of your message to be. Having a human rights t-shirt that's being produced in China, where they're not necessarily known for their human rights policies and standing up to that, does feel a little bit like an oxymoron, right? It doesn't quite add up. So please keep in mind your manufacturing choices. If you are producing products that are made in countries that are supporting these politics and supporting these ideals, I think it will even further strengthen your message and create for a much stronger branded connection with the consumer. All right, guys, I hope you have a great week. Talk to you soon. Bye.